Hey folks, it's Mr. Dave out here in Poway working on another job. We're going to be doing a grotto, swim-in grotto, and a 41-foot slide, which is really cool. And as you can see in the back, I get to drive on the grass with my van, which is kind of fun. Here we go. They've jackhammered off all the plaster on the pool. There's the spa, and you got two little rocks that are going to be on the points where they transition from the spa to the pool. It seems to make it look a little better, more interesting. And this is our swim-in grotto. It sort of fills in a pocket or a pop-out in the pool where it's naturally been made, sort of a lagoon little curve there. This will be a access walking around here to get to the back here, because in the back we have a bathtub or a tub. I just call them tubs, fake rock tubs, let's say. So the guys will be able to hang in here. We're going to put a little bench underneath the waterfall. It's going to pop off there and jump into there. We're going to fill the whole tub up, and then it's going to run over a little spillway right there. And I'm going to put some of these rocks probably in here, these natural rocks that are already here. This is a waterfall that was already here, and it wasn't working, and it looked kind of weird. So we're just taking the pipe from it, and we're running it all the way over to this feature. And we also have the slide up on the top there, where Kevin is working on. Say hello, Kevin.
Hello.
Kevin is our chief cook and bottle washer today. So it's going to be a great slide. It just comes over and it drops right there, and it shoots between the palm trees, and you'll have the flats taking you all the way into the pool. It is going to be a blast. And so I will try to kill myself walking around it. So we have a little workstation here that we set up with the mixer and stuff. We try to pre-mix things, as you may have noticed, on top of the grotto there. And see if I can keep there we go, shade the lens a little bit. But there's sort of an overall view of our grotto, and we're almost ready for shotcrete, and that's when the cement truck comes and we blow a bunch of stuff in at 200 miles per hour and make it turn into something. So anyway, just thought I'd let you see their latest adventures, and we'll let you know what it looks like when it's been shot, and keep you posted on the rest of it. Mr. Dave here, check in out. Hope your rock jobs are going well. See ya.